What if one of the world's most advanced sustainable materials came from something most people throw away? After bananas are harvested, the tree is usually treated as waste, but hidden inside that massive stem is a powerful natural resource, strong, flexible fibers with real industrial value. These banana stems, known as pseudostems, are transported directly from plantations to a high-tech processing facility. This is where agricultural waste officially becomes raw material. Inside the factory, each stem is carefully cut and thoroughly washed. Excess sap is removed, and the plant structure is prepared for the next critical stage. Precision matters here because the quality of the fiber depends on it. This is where the transformation really happens. Advanced machines extract long, silky fibers from deep inside the stem using mechanical force instead of harsh chemicals. Almost nothing is wasted in the process. The fibers are then washed multiple times and dried in a controlled environment. Temperature, airflow, and timing are carefully managed to ensure strength, consistency, and durability. Once dried, the fibers are spun and rolled into continuous sheets, ready to be turned into textiles, packaging materials, and other eco-friendly products used around the world. Before anything leaves the factory, every roll is carefully inspected and tested, because sustainability only works when quality meets real-world standards. What was once discarded after a harvest is now part of a global solution, a reminder that innovation doesn't always come from new inventions. It can come from seeing waste differently. And this is how a banana stem becomes the future of sustainable manufacturing.